healthyhouseplants.com, where I teach you all about gardening in the great indoors. If you'd like to support my show, check out the description box below for the many ways to do that. Today we have a spotlight on this gorgeous plant, Hoya Australis �11. I have a care video on this plant, which is linked below. In this video, I'm going to share a few tidbits about this stunning plant so you can decide if you'd like to add it to your indoor gardening collection. Native to Australia, Hoya Australis �11 is a variegated form of Hoya Australis, and the foliage is truly the star of the show. The leaves have a beautiful, almost hand-painted look with swaths of green, lime, creamy yellow, and pink, and sometimes soft peach and ruby tones too. This plant really does look like a natural watercolor piece. I just absolutely adore it. And all the color combinations are lovely too. Now, a little bit about the Australis species in general. In its native tropical habitat, Hoya Australis is a vigorous epiphyte, which means it grows on other plants, but it doesn't take nutrients from them. It uses its vines to climb up trees and can be recorded growing as long as 10 feet outdoors. Indoors, it's more like around 3 feet long, which makes it a really manageable vining plant for the home. And here's one reason people love the Australis types as a houseplant. The plant grows quickly and often produces flowers sooner than some other Hoyas. The blooms form in clusters on a long stalk called a pedicle, and they're typically very fragrant, waxy and white with a little splash of red in the center. And this is important. Don't remove the pedicle after flowering, because that's where new flowers will form again in future years. So you'll want to keep that on there. Hoya Australis is also less common than Hoya carnosa, so if you're a Hoya collector or you just like having something a little more unique, this is a really fun one to add. And because �11 likes to climb and vine, it's perfect for a trellis or bamboo pole so you can show off that foliage. And you can see here, this vine there is looking like it's definitely ready for a pole to grow on. So there you go, a little spotlight on this lovely plant, Hoya Australis �11, a true showstopper for foliage lovers. Now go out and get one. Thank you for stopping by today. Please leave any comments about any indoor gardening tutorials you'd like to see. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And please check the bell if you'd like to be notified when new videos are released.